We're back? Question mark?
We're back.
Yeah, I'm kidding.
We're back.
We're back.
We're gonna go to Subcon Forest. Oh, I forgot about
The
Jellyman.
mafia boss, yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we're going to Subcon Forest.
Woo.
Whoa. Okay.
Have we gotten phone calls before? True.
Yeah, it was.
What? Just so we can win the thing all over again? Huh.
I'm Batman.
It's, yeah, we've gotten calls from this voice
Darling.
before.
Nobody else has called us darling.
Alright. Chapter 6. Or 7.
Oh,
Oh, this is, yeah.
going back to the beginning. Deadbird Studio? Was there always a question mark? I don't remember.
Did we always
my
have
God.
two pairs of shades? I don't remember.
I was just thinking that.
Oh, what? It's spoopy now.
Oh, great. This is a spooky...
Pull out the fox mask. We gotta look intimidating.
You're right. Oh my goodness. That is intimidating. Can
Yeah,
we...
just imagine you're staring at some kid during Halloween and all of a sudden their eyes start glowing green.
Can we... What is this? Cactus?
So we gotta... The set is buried under.
That's right.
So we gotta find a way to go down.
I mean... I guess let's fucking... What the hell is that?
It's an alien. Maybe. I don't know. It's up for interpretation, really.
Excuse me.
Oh, hey, thing.
Whoa. That was
Vent.
weird.
Yeah.
I want to get in the vent again.
Yeah, it's open. You just didn't get in there.
Is it?
Yeah.
I
You're
literally
not-
cannot. Oh,
There
that
you
was
go.
weird.
Yeah.
I was like too close to the wall.
Boy, this level is so dark.
Yeah, I really don't like this.
Imagine
no one
we
is
find
here.
a dead DJ Grooves.
Oh my god, I would fucking cry.
We're gonna reset the whole game just to make sure he lives.
Yeah, playthrough number 2. Alright. I know I said fox mask.
You know what though? At least we don't gotta worry about people seeing us.
That's true. That is a lot nicer than... Whoa.
Oh, elevator.
Oh, the basement.
Yeah.
Man, of course the conductor's up to fucking...
We have a little pistol gun ready. Pistol, hand pistol. Ooh.
Whoa.
Wait, we're in Act 6 again.
Okay. That's odd.
What?
No, I have no idea. I want to see. What is this? What's all this?
It's the basement.
Let me look out the window. Whoa! Why is this place so big?
It's huge. What the hell?
Was that a movie set that we passed?
I think. Oh,
Stop!
Wow. Okay.
Oh,
This is a very big level.
I just want to.
We just want to explore.
Yeah. That's it, right?
It's forcing us to start from the bottom.
Starting from the bottom, now we're here at the bottom.
Right where we started. Can you
badly stacked boxes.
Yep. That's the name of this. Oh, yeah, I was gonna say.
Okay. Makes sense, of course. I just need to know. I need to know for sure.
Just remember, no Russian.
It's true. Don't Russian in this game.
Oh, no.
What?
No, you got that all wrong.
What do you mean?
It's a Call of Duty thing.
No Russian?
Yeah, it was a very controversial mission in, I think, Modern Warfare 2, where you're hey,
Makes
unpaid bills. That's true. Fragile.
Oh, I like this music.
It's bassy, drummy.
Anyway,
It's drummy.
What is your
right?
Call of
So
Duty
it's
story?
very controversial because you take the role of a super deep cover agent
Yeah.
working for a terrorist, and basically you're coming out of the back of a van wearing heavy armor and carrying machine guns into an airport. And he says, "Remember, no Russian," and you just shoot up the whole airport.
What?
Yeah, just citizens and security guards. And so when it first came out, it was like super controversial because people were just like, "Oh, that's straight up like terrorism, violence in video games." But the game itself was like making a statement that it elaborates on later. But you know,
Okay.
super intense.
Whoa.
Like, imagine being a 13-year-old kid playing Call of Duty and all of a sudden you're shooting up a freaking airport.
Yeah, I mean, is that not just like GTA though?
True.
Hello? Why wasn't I moving?
Scoot on the power lines. I mean, whoa, thing,
Bling indeed, sister.
coin. Can we? Nope.
Nope, we gotta go through the fan. I don't need that platform.
Yeah, you're a real shoot from the hip.
What?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
You know, risque. You take the risks.
Oh, of course.
Who needs time to aim when you can just shoot from the hip like, oh, Han Solo? Uh-huh. Well,
Wow. Okay.
you tried being cheeky.
That I did.
You could just watch your shadow as well. Your
That-
shadow appears over
That's
there.
what I'm trying to do. But
It's not super reliable.
what? What was that?
Watch us die on this.
Oh my gosh. This is why is this so difficult?
We
for
did
me?
it!
I apparently cannot platform to save my life.
Oh, we gotta redo. Oh, okay,
thank
cool.
God.
I thought it was gonna make us redo the whole level.
No, this game is actually really lenient. I've
Yeah.
noticed. Because I mean, like, we haven't died that much, but we've died enough.
The times that we have died,
Am I
not a good
supposed
reason.
to just go up?
No, you go in front.
Oh, okay. It looked like there was something up here. Oh, I see.
Bounce.
This is the uppity.
Woo.
Whoa.
Well,
I just want to make sure there's no secrets down here. It's a good spot for secrets.
it is.
Nothing over. Wait. Is that a thing?
Is that a crack in
No,
the
it's just weird lighting. Whoa.
Don't scare me like that.
Oh,
What?
that's the conductor.
Oh, it is. Stuff.
So much
Money. We're gonna be rich by the end of this.
Dude, we are.
That has prints on it? Like, oh, there we go.
But I want. Wait, I saw a thing that I wanted.
I'm really vibing to this music.
It's fucking banging. I love it.
Look.
I feel like that's the way I need
Yeah,
to
yeah,
go.
above. To the left.
No, I saw it, but there's this thing.
Oh, yeah, it's right below.
What?
Yeah, so
What?
just walk off and you'll land on the... Yeah, go back
Oh.
up there.
We'll go this way, I guess.
Well, you can't.
Whoa.
Yeah,
Well, we'll go this way.
that works too.
Yeah. Common occurrence. Explosions.
Ooh, okay.
Excuse me?
That's why they call it Dead Bird Studio.
It's because they're all dead.
Yeah, just walk
Oh,
off,
I
you'll land.
see.
Yeah, you'll just land on the thing right there. What? Okay.
That's absurd.
Yeah, I guess it just doesn't want us to have that. Unless, oh, we gotta go from down low. Oh, maybe if we fall a certain distance.
Yeah, the game like thinks
Yeah,
we're.
dying.
Yeah, that's dumb.
Hey, you know what though? At least now we're on our last point of health.
Yeah, after I just collected a shit ton of hearts. Excellente.
Most excellent too. She looks so worried.
Well, she's dying.
We're in Dead Bird Studio, and we're dying.
Yeah. Good thing we're not a bird. We're just a fucking. Wait, is that a heart?
That is... Is it too low? Yeah, you're gonna fall too far to grab
Yeah. Whoa.
it. That's where we came up from.
Where is
Up,
the way up?
jump on top of the bot. That's where we came
Oh.
from. You're dead. Yay!
Why am I so bad at this suddenly? Whatever, we got the yarn that we didn't need.
Yes, and we're back to full health.
Alright.
Woo!
Oh, this is so fun.
Schmovin'. Look at
What's
all that
this?
film.
These shelves are full of movies you've never heard of. The amount of bird puns in their titles is staggering.
Oh, do tell, please. Please
Yeah,
elaborate,
I
game.
want to know all about ostrich.
That's it. That's the joke.
Do you think ostriches? What would be like the shit on bird? Seagulls, I guess.
Penguins.
Seagulls are the shit upon birds. The label reads John Bar hinges. All you can see through the cracks is a magnet and a pebble, though.
Okay.
What does that even
Mislabeled
mean?
equipment.
I don't want their heart.
Oh, this was that section with all the boxes that we passed by
Yeah,
in the
we're-
elevator.
On B2.
So we are.
Oh. Silence phone. Handle with care.
Maybe we can
I'm gonna
explode
blow
it.
it up.
Yeah. Well,
Oh.
we tried.
Oh well. That's not what I want.
Yeah, we want Red Riding Hood.
Oh, what's this?
More.
shit. What?
A box full of MacGuffins.
Howdy do ya? Old man McGucket. You know, when I was cooking dinner, Nick and I were talking. What's this now? Oh, Chekhov guns.
Chekhov. Anton Chekhov? Anyway, you and Nick were cooking
So
dinner.
I was cooking dinner tonight, and Nick and I were talking about murder mysteries and shit. And I was like, "Oh, dude, there's so many great murder mysteries, like Duck Detective and what I don't know what else I said." But he was like, "Oh yeah, I haven't heard of that one." And then he started talking about whatever other movie I said.
Yes.
And then he circled back. He was like, I haven't even heard of that other one. What was the first one you said?" And I was like, Duck Detective, and he went from like genuine wonder to like, what the fuck is that?
Oh my god, I love it.
And I was like, Duck Detective, it's a cartoon in Gravity Falls. And he was like, so it's a fictional show in a fictional show. And I'm like, yes.
It's the ideal murder mystery.
Oh, where the fuck did I go?
You can
this
go
way?
that way, yeah.
There's so much shit over here.
There is a ton of shit.
Oh,
You could just wall run up that. Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's hard to gauge sometimes. Whether or
It,
not you
yeah,
can do
it looks like it. That's why you're the one playing, cause. Just cause.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have I been this way? I don't think so.
No, we didn't see that spaceship before.
Which one?
That one.
Oh yeah. What's this? The label reads red herrings. The box reeks.
The one box that actually has the content that's on its label.
Is that actually what it says?
Yeah, well, red herring is a type of fish.
I think. Oh, is it?
Yeah.
I thought a red herring was a type of bird. Like a ploy?
You know,
Or it's a
we're-
terminology.
We're doing a quick search.
What am I? Oh, I think I see what I'm supposed to do.
A smoked herring. Something. This is the other definition for red herring. Something, especially a clue, that is or is intended to be misleading or distracting.
Yeah, that's what I.
Oh, okay.
It was a bird.
Oh, ice.
I feel like I should make these go up or down, right? Like,
If you hit the sandbag, maybe.
I tried that.
Oh.
Maybe I can jump on it.
Oh, that would make sense. Yep. Yeah, that's
Well,
what
I
it's for.
didn't do any. Whoa.
It's
That's
for you to
weird.
get up to where we just were.
Okay. I apparently am really good at cheesing the game.
Yeah, so do that,
Okay.
and then we do that. Well,
Not that.
Not
but,
that.
Oh,
Good effort.
come on, Little Red Riding Hood. We got this. Oh, is my scooter a different color now? Or am I just insane?
I think you're insane.
Okay.
It was brown before.
I thought it was gold before.
Go. Yeah.
Oh, that was not difficult at all.
Nope. Yeah, we can just loop around. Camera.
Oh.
Yeah. Careful with that.
I want to blow that up.
Yeah, it just has. Yeah, there's a ton of those with the bomb picture on it.
Don't touch me, Zappies.
You could also jump high and get onto that last bluff, last area we just saw.
Which one?
Right behind
Over
us. Yeah, right above.
I would love to get high.
Hell yeah.
Oh, there's a pipe.
Ow.
I mean, it's better than falling.
True.
Whoa. Come on.
Whoa.
Come on. Yeah. Can I fuck you up?
What?
I just wanted to know if I could like knock it out or something. But
You attacked it, so it detected you.
Is there a way up here?
There
has to be.
Maybe above us.
Yeah.
Once we progress further.
Oh, what's this now? The label reads framing devices.
Oh my god, we were framed. For what? I'm not sure yet. Maybe a murder mystery involving a duck.
Oh!
Money! Oh my god, so much money.
Whoa.
It's a timer thing.
I know.
Yay! What did we get?
No? I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know either.
I didn't see anything pop out.
We get a box full of MacGuffins, I guess.
Oh, my faves. What's this thing? Claw? A disco ball.
Oh, it's the disco ball from DJ Groove's thing.
Yeah. Oh, a heart. Excellent.
Health.
Okay.
Was that little platform necessary?
The little one. That
Yeah.
I don't know. It felt important.
Oh, hey. Yarn.
Uh-huh.
Maybe I should save it in case.
Did you hear that, man? He said maybe I should steal it. Hell, it's the letters, the unpaid bills.
Oh yeah. This is where we were.
Yeah. Wow, we made it all the way back up already?
I guess so.
Hey, it's that area I said we could access later.
Oh. The label reads ticking clocks. You think of one being advanced and shiver. What?
A what?
Is that a reference we don't get? What is this? It's so tiny.
It is.
I don't know what it was.
It was tiny. To the left.
Yeah?
That looks like the only logical place to go.
But there's
Vent.
a thing up here.
The bag. Yeah, the bag.
What's this over here?
Back
Nothing?
around. Yeah, you can wall jump that.
Yeah. It's nice. Got the yarn. Any more shits? Oh. I don't think so.
Yeah, that didn't look like something accessible.
Can I squeeze through?
Whoa!
Why? Why? What have I done?
Just keep climbing? What?
Did I just progress accidentally?
I think we did. Oh
my God.
I think we definitely did.
I love to break shit. I can't help it. Oh, it's one of these jams.
So it is.
Alright, let's. Oh. This is how we're supposed
Yeah,
to
that
do
looks
it.
like, the correct way to do it.
Alright, I see you, camera. Almost got me. Not quite.
They're laughing.
Oh.
Joe, go while they're laughing. There's
Wait,
a
I don't know
wall.
how long for.
Why?
I don't want to take that chance.
Alright, fair enough. We've died a few times already.
We sure have. Wait, don't look at me, camera.
To the right.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Can I go this way?
Crawl under, baby.
Oh, I can.
Oh, cable, yeah.
Oh. What?
How high does it go? Oh, well,
I don't.
I don't know
think
actually.
that's what I need to be doing. Can I crawl under here?
Yeah, but
But-
there's nothing.
Oops.
Oop.
Oops.
Oops.
All right.
At least we didn't take damage.
That is nice. I wish I could just jump over that. I probably could if I tried.
Oh, okay.
I almost went
Close.
for it.
Maybe go left for now, and we can get higher up after we go left.
What, like on this?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, we're so dumb.
Oh. The game's definitely not telling us which way to go. There's a platform right there.
Yeah, I see.
There's another platform right there.
Come on. Oh, there's quite a few platforms.
So there are.
I missed it.
You did.
Oh, what's that? Oh, it's a lackey.
It's a penguin. Oh, okay.
Thought you could see me, Mr. Penguin. Whoa.
Oop.
Whoa.
Oop. You did it. You recovered.
How do I? Oh, over here.
Yes.
Come on, come on.
Nice. Is that all of them?
I think so.
Nice.
Oh, okay, so there is fall damage.
Yeah.
Good to know. Whoa.
Ooh.
All right. On the next episode of A Hat in Time,
We unravel this mystery with
we'll
Duck
figure
Detective.
this out. Wah, 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 wah.